Hi, welcome to Bill Jacobs Volkswagen. My name is Greg Jutras, the Chief Operating Officer for the company. Here at Bill Jacobs, we pride ourselves in providing excellence in every aspect of our business, with excellent service, unbeatable prices, and one of the largest selection of new and pre-driven Volkswagen inventory. No wonder why we are one of the highest volume Volkswagen dealers in Illinois. Bill Jacobs has earned the coveted Volkswagen Wolfsburg Crest Award for operational performance and customer satisfaction. Bill Jacobs Volkswagen has also earned the J.D. Power Dealer of Excellence Award. And there were only 128 dealers that earned this award compared to the over 6,000 dealers that are in the United States. What sets us apart from our competition? Well, we make it easy. Whether you want to shop for a vehicle in person or virtually, we cater to your preference and make it as simple and as easy as we can. If you don't have time in your busy life to come in for service, we'll come to you with our white glove concierge service. We will handle the pickup and delivery of your vehicle, and with a fleet of courtesy vehicles, we will leave you with alternate transportation to drive, while we service your vehicle. The highlight of servicing your vehicle with Bill Jacobs is we offer a fully interactive service experience. We believe in full transparency and want you to understand what is going on with your vehicle firsthand, whether it's in person or done virtually. One of our master technicians will show you what they are seeing with regards to the health of your vehicle and explain or answer any questions that you may have. At Bill Jacobs, we live out our core values every day with our customers and our employees. And our core values are integrity, respect, passion, initiative, and performance. Remember this, at Bill Jacobs, the cars bring you in, but the experience brings you back.